Another prophecy of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is happening now. I'm about to tell you what is going on. No be small thing o. They say that the Biafra resistance fighter and liberation army as we dey talk now, they say they don't go carry some villagers wey be say na then they give information of where dem dey to Nigeria army. This one dey happen for us. So hey my wonderful people, let's find out how this thing take dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Ebeni Kwezioku still dey here, they bring updates back to back as e dey hot. My people, oh, things are really happening as we dey talk. Remember that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu advised Nigerians, Biafrans, especially Biafrans living in Nigeria for them to get their Somalian visa, because very soon wetin dey happen for Nigeria, Somalia will be better than Nigeria. Remember that this thing dey pay Nigeria government so much. Now made they run kitikiti, they run katakata. And now it don't dey happen. I will play you the voice of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu talk before we go come back enter inside another Ogbenge news.
Don't allow we Biafrans to go. That zoological republic called Nigeria will be a worse place than Somalia, and today it is happening. And if you have not applied for your Somalian visa, please try and do so. Should I say Somali visa? Try and do so as quickly as possible, because the zoo is on the path of destruction, and there is nothing man can do to reverse it. Mark today's date and what I'm telling you. Nigeria.
My people, we go dey bring everything wey Mazi Nnamdi Kanu talk about in Nigeria, and all of them are coming to pass. Remember the story of Pharaoh and the Israelites. So what is happening to Nigeria now is exactly that happening to the Pharaoh. Understand? Leave Israel to go, they say no. Leave Israel to go, they say no, and it's what is happening now. My people, let's quickly jump the next matter we will get from our hand. And the Biafra Liberation Army say they don't go capture some villagers where they give information of where the inside the place where they dey. I want make you listen and watch this video from beginning to end before we will come back or continue.
Because now you come where ants full one place, you go carry water, pour there, or put fire there, then go scatter. This thing you are doing, are you ready? We are coming. When you have finished dancing this dance of the spirit, let us know, because now we go dance last. Huh? Now we go dance last. So therefore, if you are there in the village, then try them, bribe you, then give you money. In any place where our camp is, you collect money to sabotage this struggle. Bear it in mind that you have sold your soul and you will die. A lot of people have gone. A lot of people have gone. A lot of people have gone. So therefore, don't stain your hand. Because of shishi, you cannot stay alive to eat. Biafra have come to stay. Nothing human being or spirit can do to stop Biafra from restoration, from being restored. Nothing. So don't deceive yourself. Even they are feeling it. Look at what Northern are saying. If people see exist, they want to leave. Nobody should stand on their way. Nothing that they are already know that there is nothing they can do. So you do not choose yourself to die with the devil. I am telling you this because you know we do not have mercy. We do not have forgiveness. No forgiveness in our dictionary. We do not have mercy, and we do not have forgiveness for the saboteur or the enemies of Biafra. And that is why I come this morning to give you this message. share this message to go far and near. That a lot of the saboteur that was in our midst have been captured. A lot of villagers that have been in the village sabotaging this effort have been captured. Because there is nothing that can be hidden under this surface of the earth. Nothing can be hidden. Anything you do, the Spirit will bring it to the light. The Spirit will bring it to the light. And once that comes, you are a goner. Yes. You are a goner. That is the truth. Be warned. Be warned from sabotaging this. You will never survive to chop the money. The same way hope will beg for life. In the same way you will beg for life, but you will not see life. The same way Soludo will beg for life, in the same way you will beg for life, you will not see life. Both you and your family, you will never survive to chop the money of betraying. And let me tell you this. He that betraying brother, even his buyer cannot trust them. Just the same way they never trust Okorocha to make him even vice president, because if you betray your people, now you know if you betray, that is the price to pay. So therefore, we are seeing Osumu in Osu, the battlefield. Today is day 12. Believe you me, we will go nowhere. You see this battle, we will fight till the end. It is Biafra that we are asking for. Our demand is Biafra. And there is nothing that can stop us. Not even death can stop us. Them know that. They have come and they have weakness. They have tested and they have confessed that it's not what they thought. But believe you me, we never start the dance of the Spirit. When we start, them themselves go feel it. I've come this morning to tell you that we are still on the battleground, waiting for our enemy to approach. Nothing spoil, nothing move us, and nothing can ever move us. Not today, not tomorrow, and not ever. Because this is the land of our ancestors, that we have taken an oath to defend it with our life. In need be, we die for what we believe of. If Sh0ćk Biafra say, son, join the Spirit, we will be gladly lay down our life to it. But we assure our enemy, before we lay down our life, we have 100 souls to take alongside with us. Each person, that they may serve us in the land of the Spirit. They know. They know. So therefore, in this land of our ancestors, we have taken an oath that our children will never face what we are facing. Humiliation, murdering, genocide, starvation, disgrace, and all manner of bad treatment. That our children and our children unborn will never face this. And how can we do that to happen? By destroying Nigeria and restoring Biafra. Because Biafra is the holy hope of black race. Holy hope of our children and our unborn children. Holy hope of humanity. Without Biafra, life is worthless. Without Biafra, life is meaningless. Without Biafra, There is nothing in this war. And so therefore, we choose to get Biafra by all means. That is what we choose. It's either they give us Biafra in peace or we take it by force. And by taking it by force, they know what will happen. And I've seen it. They are seeing it. We don't need to tell them. They have seen it. And they will continue seeing the greater one of that until Biafra is fully restored beyond their imagination. The rain have fall yesterday as we have called upon the rain to fall, because we draw our power from water and from the sun and from the breeze and from the land. So now that the 4 elements have completed, masquerade is out. They will die in Eke, they will die in Ori, they will die in Afo, they will die in Nkwo. Now and forevermore. The enemy of Biafra will never see joy. It shall never be well with Nigeria. Nigeria will keep going down, down, down until we push them to 6 feet beyond and cover them with sand. And that will be the end of them. That will be the end of them. And as the following day, as the sun is rising up from the east, so shall the flag of Biafra fly. And the new songs of victory will be sung or sing. And the children of light will have joy and peace forever and ever. The same way the enemies of Biafra will go forever, the same way the saboteur will join the enemies of Biafra and disappear, never to return forever and ever and ever and ever. He say.
My wonderful people, no be small thing o. Na so e dey happen, and I will say mo carry and come give una beg. Make you share this video and let us know what you think for inside comment section. Do not forget to subscribe and also follow our page. Thank you.